It's April 2020. Our country is facing many challenges. A health pandemic, an economy in shambles, and you're stuck in your house watching television. Except it's not really television, it's a streaming service. I think my problem with Netflix is that I spend more time browsing for shows than actually watching them. Let's say you're waiting for the bus, and you want to watch something while you wait. A 2-hour movie, that's a lot of commitment, and I'm usually not in the mood to start a new series. Time is money, and sometimes investing time into shows just isn't worth it. That is one of the reasons why YouTube is still massively popular. It's low investment, low commitment entertainment that is usually optimized for mobile viewing. Now, what if there was a platform that offered quality cinematic shows like Netflix, but with the low commitment, short episode format of a YouTube video? Quibi is a brand new streaming service app that is launching in April 2020. What sets Quibi apart from Hulu and Netflix is how all their shows are released in episodes that are 10 minutes or less. It's the only streaming service that is exclusive to mobile devices and uses turnstile technology that allows for seamless horizontal and vertical viewing. So at a time when different streaming services are all competing for our attention, and social media platforms like YouTube and TikTok provide content for free, Quibi offers a totally unique experience that sets it apart from both of these markets. Quibi wants to fit into a niche of convenience and low-commitment viewing, and this can be seen in how the company has been trying to market itself in their ads.
Madam President, the asteroid's impact is imminent.
How long do we have?
2, 3 Quibis, tops.
My God.
And we have one conversation about, how many calories are in these plantain chips, and we still pass?
YouTube and Instagram video sources often come from smaller individual content creators. That's one of the reasons why YouTube Red, their premium service, hasn't really taken off. Because no one really cares enough to pay to watch e-celebrities. One of Quibi's biggest selling points to investors was how it was founded by legendary Hollywood producer and former Disney head, Jeffrey Katzenberg. With Katzenberg's connections, Quibi has begun greenlighting and producing shows with big-name directors and A-list actors. Quibi's biggest weakness comes from the fact that it's not free. They face the challenge of convincing users to pay $5 each month to use its platform, which also runs ads in between videos. And it costs $8 to watch without ads. Are people really going to pay another $5 to $8 to watch something while they wait at the dentist's office? Another difficult selling point is the viewing format, because while having short episodes is faster, it's also more restrictive when you're paying to watch something that can only be watched on one device. And despite having spent so much money on TV spots during the Oscars and Super Bowl, their ads have failed to garner much traction because they're trying to convince viewers to watch their content on a screen that's much smaller than the one they're watching an ad on. Personally, I think Quibi has the potential to be highly successful. They are both innovative and have massive talent involved in their service. The issue is that such talent is expensive, and how they make up those costs will determine their success. Quibi reportedly spent over $1 billion on their productions. If they don't make a big impression in their first year, they will likely run out of money. If they can manage to build a solid viewership, it could become the new standard for mobile entertainment. While Quibi's founders admit they are not trying to compete with Hulu and Netflix, they still have to compete with other video platforms like YouTube, Snapchat, and Instagram, who do it for free. As of today, Quibi's biggest challenge has been the COVID-19 pandemic. Quibi's philosophy of on-the-go pocket media has been flipped on its side when everyone is stuck inside their homes. Expecting low turnout from the pandemic, Quibi has offered a 90-day free trial and has launched last week. As of April 12th, they have received over 1.7 million downloads. Viewer response to their current programming has been mostly good. However, some people have complained about not being able to play media on their televisions. The CEO of Quibi has stated that they are currently working on implementing the ability to stream directly to televisions soon.